Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how staying updated on pharma news and trends can help you become an MSL even without experience. Again, please like and subscribe to stay updated. So let's get into it. Getting into pharma and becoming an MSL, especially without experience, can feel daunting. So today I am going to talk about a secret weapon to set yourself apart. And here's the key: staying ahead of the curve on pharmaceutical news and trends. Guys, this is really crucial because there's so much information out there. And if you can basically summarize what is going on in the world to an interviewer or to anyone you speak to, like the hiring manager, you're going to actually stand out among other candidates. So in today's video, I will show you how I stay informed and the three ways that I kind of look at it, from industry innovations to market strategies and regulatory updates. And so whether you're actively job hunting or preparing for interviews, understanding these three key areas: industry trends, market access strategies, and regulatory updates, will boost your credibility and confidence. So let's dive in. Why does it matter? Well, as MSLs, we are the scientific face of a pharmaceutical company. So staying updated on new therapies and technologies is critical. You're speaking to so many providers with various backgrounds. If you show that you actually know what you're talking about, and that means you already have the skills to be an MSL. For example, there are current trends right now in gene therapy and rare diseases, right? Gene therapy is changing the way we treat diseases, rare diseases specifically. And AI in drug development. AI right now, artificial intelligence, is speeding up drug discovery. And companies are using AI to identify drug candidates faster. So staying informed on this will be very critical. Then personalized medicine. There's currently a shift right now towards tailoring treatments to individual patients, and that's growing. So one of the tips I'm going to give you is to follow sources like Fierce Pharma or Fierce Biotech, and I'll share that with you. So here's the website, and you can easily just go through this. You can read the headlines. If anything piques your interest, you can go ahead and read it. But this gives you the latest news in the industry, and it's free. This is Fierce Biotech. You can look at trending topics. You can select Fierce Pharma. You can select Fierce Pharma. You can select Fierce Healthcare and see what is actually happening in the industry. And this is very, very important because when you look at such articles, you can easily begin to see the trends in the industry and find out what is going on. And when you speak to this will really help you stand out in your interviews. You can also look at the deals that are happening in the industry. I mean, imagine you were applying for one of these companies and you actually speak to the recent news. This will really make you sound like you know what you're talking about. And again, you can always tie it to your transferable skills. So this is just something I want to tell you because it is invaluable. So back to the next segment on market updates, which is market access and business strategy. You're going to learn things like pricing pressures when it comes to access. And you also would learn about things like value-based pricing models and see the trends that's happening there. Also, health equity, it's very important. And then also strategic partnerships. But big pharma and many small mid-sized pharma are actually developing therapies in partnerships. So understanding these partnerships will be critical and important to pay attention to. So a good company that brings out reports is like IQVIA, and that's one important one to look at. And also, Pharma Exec is another one. So keeping an eye out on what's going on in market access and business strategy is important. Then also paying close attention to regulatory and policy updates is equally as important. It basically guides every aspect of drug development and commercialization. And there's been a lot of changes that has been made with COVID-19. So understanding how trials are changing, the remote monitoring and the digital tools and how things are now becoming norm, it will help you stand out that you understand what's going on with modern clinical trials. So make sure you subscribe to FDA newsletters and follow regulatory focus groups on LinkedIn and blogs, industry blogs for insights. Again, staying informed in these areas, these three areas, is very key. And remember that adopting a growth mindset means that when you read these articles or any webinar you attend, each step is a stepping stone to your success. So these small efforts, they actually compound over time. So make sure you set aside 15 minutes to read, watch, or listen to pharma updates. Trust me, this habit will transform the way you approach the MSL role. Again, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who's aspiring to enter the industry. And if you have specific questions about staying updated or breaking into the MSL world, just drop in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.